Now, let us make a complete button. Push the A mold outward. Take a metal blank. Place it into the A mold. Take a piece of blank paper. Place the blank paper onto the metal blank. Take a Mylar film. Place the Mylar film on top. Slide the A mold back to the center and press down firmly. Next, place the washer into the B mold. Take a metal pin back. Make sure the sharp side is facing upward and the pin side is facing downward. Place it into the B mold. Slide the B mold back to the center. Press down firmly and hold for 2-3 seconds. Now the button is complete.